We're going to be talking about electrostatics today. We're going to be taking the questions one after the other. And please, you have to do well to follow because each question will be dropped, will be dropping one after the other. So this is part 1, this is part 2, and this is part 3. So simultaneously and sequentially they will be dropped. Follow them so that you can see the resonance and how it works. If you don't get part 1 accurately or you don't follow part 1 accurately, you may not be able to get part 2 accurately. Alright, thank you very much. Let's beat to the basic. Let's dance to the basic. So we have a equivalency of resistor here. About 3 resistors was connected in. There was a mistake here. They were connected in parallel, please. Okay, in parallel. So the parallel connection here, I believe we all know what parallel connection is. When you are given a parallel connection of a resistor, we can actually solve them using the formula. Using 1 over R on T is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus dash 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 plus 1 over what? Rn, depending on the number of R's that are made available. However, we just have 3 connections here. We have 4, 6, and 12. So that means we have that 1 over RT T is equal to 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 6, and then 1 over what? 12. Find the LCM of these variables. Quick one, please. So when we get the LCM of this, the LCM definitely will be 12. Okay? So when we solve it as 12, then we have it as 12 here. 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 3 plus here 2, here 1. Sum it up, we have this is 6, right? Over 12. And I believe we know what this is. This, when we take the converse operation of this 6 over 12, that will be what? My RT definitely will be what? 12 over 6. And that is 2 ohms. So with this information, we have that the answer here is 2. Thank you.